So this video will be about configuring and managing a centralized logging place for the NSX Manager and the Edge devices. So I have created a logging server, and let me see if I can bring that up. That's this machine here. And if I go to /var/log/remote, you will see that there are different IP addresses here, and I'm using syslog-ng for my logging purpose at this moment. You can see different device names here. For example, the 10.11.11.80 is my NSX Manager. The 10.10.105.254 is one of my ESGs, or Edge Services Gateways. The same applies also for this one here. This one is also one of my Edge Services Gateways. So, the logging server, how to set it up is not in scope for this video. I just want to show you that I have a logging server, and I've set it up. This one, for example, let's go to the NSX Manager here. And you can see the year, the month, and the day. Today is probably the 22nd. Now there are no let me see, ls. Oh wait, yeah, for each day it will generate a new log message. So this one is the 22nd, the one of today. So I can go into it more 2015 today, and there you go. I can see all the log messages that it's generated, and I think those are a lot for now. You can also see the size of those log messages. In order to create or to make sure that logging works for the NSX Manager, we go to the appliance, we log in, we manage the appliance, and then there's a part here called syslog server, and we can configure this syslog server. So this is the IP address of my syslog server, the port that I'm using, and I'm using the TCP protocol. And I can also change that over to other type of protocols. If I use IPv6 or UDP, the port can be changed, etc. Well, it's already configured here and it's already working, so I will leave that alone. So we also need to be able to configure the NSX edges, and let me go to the NSX Edge. And for example, this one is a Edge device. Well, 2015, then the 11, and then you will see that there are also different log messages here for this device. Let's go to the last one, more 2015. That's the one of today, and you can see all different kind of logging messages that are coming through. The way how to configure logging for the NSX managers, edges, is, let's go to network and security. That's the NSX environment. Let's go to the edges, and I have different types of edges here. Let's start with the NSX Edge, the Edge Services Gateway, and on the global settings and the configurations here, you will see a let me see where it's hidden. You can see the syslog servers here, and you can see that my syslog server is already there. I have only one, and I can change it here if I want to. I'm using the TCP protocol here as well, but I can use UDP. It's using the default port, so there's no way how that we can change that. This one is for the Edge Services Gateway, the one for the logical distribution router, logical router. The same way, you see syslog servers here, and you see that mine is already filled in here. I can change it again to UDP or the IP addresses, or add one more in, and that's the way how it's configured.